Okay, so the next concept is about long division, which is used quite a lot, like maybe in the factorization of polynomials. So what is the division that we've always known, which is like maybe division of normal numbers like 21 divided by 5. So we know that our quotient will be 4 and then our remainder will be 1. So 21 divided by 5 will be equals to 4 remainder 1. And then this is our remainder. This is our quotient, our divisor, and our number. So likewise, for polynomials, when you do long division, you also get a quotient and a remainder. Now if we look at this example, we have our polynomial. The P here just stands for polynomial, and then we have our divisor. So let's write it out. 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 2. Now polynomial will be on the inside, divisor on the outside. Okay, our first step of long division is to always eliminate the term with the highest x power. So in this case, it will be 2x cubed first. Now how do we eliminate 2x cubed? We have to work backwards. What times x will give you 2x cubed? 2x squared. So 2x squared will be the first term in our quotient. Now we have to bring it back down. So 2x squared times x, 2x cubed, and then you cannot forget you have a 2 here. So 2x squared times 2 plus 4x squared. And you cannot forget to add your negative sign and brackets. Now your first section is done, you have to find the remainder. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed will give you nothing. Minus 4x squared minus 4x squared minus 8x squared. Then you have to bring down the remaining terms in your polynomial. So plus x minus 2. Now on to your second section. So the term you want to eliminate now is minus 8x squared. So how do you get minus 8x squared from x? You times minus 8x. So that's your next term in your quotient. Then you bring it back down. Minus 8x times x minus 8x squared minus 8x times 2 minus 16x. Not forgetting your negative sign and brackets. Your remainder, minus 8x squared plus 8x squared will be 0. X minus minus 16x will give you 17x. And then just bring down your minus 2 again. Now your last section. What times x will give you 17x? 17. So that's your final term in your quotient. So 17 times x give you 17x. Then 17 times 2 will give you 34. So your final remainder, not forgetting brackets and negative sign, your final remainder will be minus 2 minus 34, which is minus 36. So you have all your components now. You have your quotient, remainder, polynomial, and your divisor. So now we have to learn how to express our polynomial as a product of the quotient and the divisor. So this is the key concept you have to know. Your polynomial equals to your quotient times divisor plus remainder. It's like, let's say if I bring back the previous numerical example of 21 divided by 5. 21 can now be equated to quotient 4 times divisor 5 plus your remainder of 1. So likewise, bring back our polynomial example. You have 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 2. Now we can express it as our quotient times divisor plus remainder. So quotient here, 2x squared minus 8x plus 17 times the divisor, x plus 2, and our remainder, negative 36. So this will be how we can express our polynomial. Now moving on, let's try out a more advanced long division example. So we have our polynomial here and our divisor here. Now what can you see, what can you observe about this polynomial? It has an x cubed term, x term, and a constant, but it doesn't have an x squared term. So when you see a missing term, like for example here in the x squared term, you have to include a 0x squared in your polynomial when you do your long division, so it doesn't confuse your working. So let's write it out. 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 4x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 1. So we need to eliminate 2x cubed. What times 3x will give you 2x cubed? In this case, it will be 2/3 x squared. You can have a fraction, it's okay. So we bring it back down, 2/3 x squared times 3x, 2x cubed, 2/3 x squared times minus 1 minus 2/3 x squared. Not forgetting negative sign and brackets. Okay, now your first section is done. You find your remainder. You end up with 2/3 x squared. Bring down the rest of your terms from your original polynomial. 4x minus 5. Now your second section, you need to eliminate 2/3 x squared. So what times 3x will give you 2/3 x squared? 2/9x. Then you bring it down. In this case, it will be minus 2/9x. Negative sign brackets. Then you find your remainder. So it will be 38/9x minus 5. Then now you have to get rid of 38/9x. So what times 3x will give you 38/9x? 38/27. Now you find out your remainder. So 38/27 times 3x and then times minus 1. Negative sign brackets. You'll end up with your final remainder of 97/27. Negative 97/27. Once again, you have your remainder, polynomial, quotient, divisor. If you recall, how can you express your polynomial? It's a quotient times divisor plus remainder. So how can we re-express our polynomial? 2x cubed plus 4x minus 5 equals to quotient 2/3 x squared plus 2/9x plus 38/27 times our divisor 3x minus 1 plus our remainder 97/27. This is how you get your final answer.